Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So, generally I would do this without your presence, but since I want to experiment and it might work, might become something, I'm going to use some Meeden Black paint. Could be Amsterdam. It's either one or mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. This is Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Which I'm probably going to use twice, and I better be careful because I've already put a lot of paint down. This is Miami Magenta. And some Red Violet. And I added a little art fluid and resuscitated my tempting tulip. And I'm pretty sure the cat got in my studio because there's cat hairs on the breeze. Okay, so now I'm going to take a swipe card. If I had a smaller one, I might grab it. I'll use what I've got. Actually, I just feel like putting some cell activator right in my pan for right now and trying it with the smallest silicone brush, which that's pretty cool. That's not going to work for what I wanted it to work for, but it's working for me now. And even though it's cool, I'm going to let it head off one side and use an edge catcher and see what happens. I could actually put a little more gold right there. I go down and then try and tip it back again. I'm afraid I might lose it. You know what? I'm going to cheat. Give myself some more black. Because I want to be able to have that go over the end. I'm learning something. I'm pretty sure I'm learning something. I'm not sure what it is yet. Oh, come on. You know what? I like that little piece of gold in there. Even though it looks a little like a candle. And of course, because this is on a matte black canvas, if I didn't say, it's obvious to me. Now what's going to happen when I squeeze that, it's going to make the paint go down over the end. And then I'm going to let it go back down again. I think I'm going to take this paint here and here. Now that's getting a little wonky, but it's still kind of cool. I'm thinking I want some orange in there. I gotta quit putting that edge catcher down. I also think I might take the paint off my edge catcher. And it's only an 8 by 8 inch canvas. Come on, cooperate. Still thinking, if I didn't say, I want to put some orange in there. I see I have a bubble too. I'm going to use the cell activator. It's black. I don't care. And then later on, if I want to fill in between, I can with black. But I certainly don't need to waste anything. Where's my orange? That was thicker than I anticipated. Still kind of cool. I don't know exactly which color that is, but I kind of want to help it. Along. So they're not all the same, but that's okay. I'm wondering, since I'm here and playing, why I wouldn't just go ahead and put some spirals in. Maybe drag things right up the top. And down. They're weird little flowers. I could put stems in there easily enough. I'm not sure why I would do that yet. It's a weird little painting, but that's cool. I kind of feel like gold in between one might be nice. I could still do green. I'm still interested in green. I'm just a lot worried that it's going to be too heavy. So I think what I'm going to do is put it in my dish. Try and use one of my silicone rubber brushes. Got a little blob in there, but the weirdness is make things interesting. Can't talk. I'm being called to a little blue. I don't want that bulbous little droplet in the center is messing with my game. Alright, I don't need 2 marks. I just need enough paint the first time. Drag it down. That's pretty cool. I can't really finish. Let's try it anyway. Okay, I can't believe that worked. And I'm going to give myself a little dot of blue, which is something I did recently. And when I reran really old painting, where's it going to go? The ones on the other side are a little funky, but they kind of blend in the eye, so. Now I'm going to use my nail art tool. Just ever so gently. And maybe, yeah, I'm going to use my leftover green paint. Might as well. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of black in there from when I used it. It's cutesy, what can I say? Every once in a while. There, that's it. Is it? Is it really? Probably shouldn't be trying to make them uniform, but oh well, too late. Except for the ones in the end, which are complete anomalies. Okay, that's it. That was a fun experiment. I got the answer I was looking for in the cells down here. It's not really what I had in mind yet, but it's still pretty cool. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.